Are you struggling with low energy all the time? We're not alone. There are millions of people with undiagnosed thyroid problems. And in this video, I'm going to run through why foods and nutrition and toxins are all related to thyroid and production of energy. So let's get into it with my chart. We'll give an example of Jessica. Jessica comes to see me, a fictitious example. She comes to see me and she goes to the doctor and gets thyroid stimulating hormone, and the doctor says everything seems to be okay, it's working fine. Thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates the thyroid to produce T4 and T3, but often doctors don't test these in a regular test. Now the thyroid gland is in the throat. She's feeling some sensation here. She's getting symptoms like hair falling, weight gain. She's constantly tired. Her metabolism is low. She's got low energy. But the doctor says no problem, seems to be all okay. What could happen is there could be cell changes in the thyroid. Even though the TSH is okay, there could be autoimmune happening in the thyroid. There could be nodules. Sometimes patients talk about a feeling or a lump in their throat or on the edge of their neck. This could be thyroid nodules. Now, what causes this? Well, what I'm going to talk about is how nutrition is definitely related to it. Right at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about one particular key ingredient that I love. It's really great at helping the thyroid work, and it's all about balance. We've got to get this thyroid balanced and producing enough T4 and converting it into active T3. Now, what is T4? T4 is a hormone that's made by the thyroid. It's actually tyrosine, T-tyrosine, and tyrosine is one of our amino acids down here that we really need. It's surrounded by 4-iodine. 4-iodine is also a nutrient that's really key. And what our body does is it breaks off one of these iodine and it turns it into active T3. Unfortunately, with stress and low selenium, our body makes reverse T3. Now T3 unfortunately is not active in the thyroid, so it doesn't work. This means lack of energy, low metabolism, and our example of Jessica, she's feeling tired and she's getting those thyroid symptoms. Her hair is starting to fall out in the outer third of her eyebrow as well. And she's feeling really low mood and can't get through the day. I wonder if you're feeling this way too. Now, after this happens, this stimulates our thyroid to work. Now I'll jump into what are the other key nutrients. We've talked about selenium, iodine, tyrosine. We've also got zinc. We've got iron. Commonly, iron also linked to low energy, but low iron is going to negatively impact the thyroid. We've got our B vitamins, B2, B3, B6. Usually I recommend taking a complex. It just makes it easier, and these are cofactors in the thyroid. We've also got vitamin C. This is excellent for reducing oxidative stress, boosting the immune system, helping with reduction of autoantibodies for autoimmunity. And we've got number 8 here, vitamin D. Vitamin D is also a hormone. It's excellent for modulating autoimmunity. Now, these things will help the thyroid work. It will also help other things, and commonly toxicity is linked to thyroid function. These things are also going to help produce toxicity. Now, our special ingredient that I talked about, something that I see and I gave Jessica, something that can help her thyroid work better and do a lot of other things as well, is NAC, NAC, or N-acetylcysteine. Absolutely fantastic for reducing oxidative stress, and it's a precursor for glutathione, a thing called glutathione, which is an antioxidant, and it helps the thyroid work, it helps the liver, it helps mood, and it's really good uplifting for energy. I find this a very good secret ingredient for the thyroid to work. Now, how about you? Do you think that you might have some thyroid problems? Could these nutrients be playing a factor? Well, I want you to carry on and watch the other videos. Also, this topic is so huge, it's hard to cram into one video, and there are lots of different components to it. So jump on over and carry on watching the next videos and keep healing.